Okay, this is a kind of an introduction to a video that is going to lead us out here into nature on this beautiful day. We're going to go on a little walk and talk, and it's going to lead into some music. Then we're going to end up back here, and it's going to be like a outroduction. Okay, here we go. I like to watch what people vlog or video log the videos they make that they put on YouTube. To me, it's really cool to like get a little glimpse into other people's lives. I think I enjoy watching them more than making them. Most of mine have kind of been on flying airplanes, which I love to do. But the time of putting them into the computer and all that kind of work and stuff, and then is sometimes doesn't feel good and a little frustrating. But as much as I love watching people's vlogs, I want people to love watching mine, and that's why I want to start doing like all different kinds, because a lot of people on there say, well, if you want to be a successful vlogger, then you got to stick to one subject, you know. But I don't believe that's true. Of course, there's many cases where it's not true, and you know, people, you know, are just making vlogs that they enjoy, and each one is different. I mean, they're all different, but yeah, I could just jump around and be me talking one day or me flying planes one day. Anyways, I wanted to take you guys into nature today. Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? One of my favorite spots to kind of hang out here. Anyways, I'm just sharing in a little different style today. Going on a walk, and, just sharing some thoughts. But I am learning how to kind of edit a little bit with my videos, just to make them seem a little more like a movie or more interesting in ways of, you know, music and hooking things together and stuff. And I have this new iPhone here, so it's got more space on it, so I can kind of go longer with them and not have to store them in my computer as often and stuff. So I'm going to kind of change up my style a little bit, and I think I'm going to get a GoPro too, so I can get better footage of my paper airplanes. Anyways, if anybody's out there watching this, I love you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Life is good. Life is beautiful. Just do your best. Keep moving forward. Here we are. Life. We're all floating on a bed of clouds. Oh, can you feel these angels are with us? They're all around us. They finally found us. This time around, this time's for love, and next time's for a change, and last time is forever to be together in love, just like our dreams keep coming true. be forever in love, just like these dreams keep coming true. Last time around, now we're back from the walk, and this is the outroduction. It's gonna end with a little bit of music. Hope you enjoy it.